out here taking a nice leisurely walk. Huh, good girl. Let's go. Gotta get back on a freaking routine. Gotta get back on the routine of actually getting outside for her, basically. Hold on. There's some lady walking, and I don't want to like cross paths with her because I don't know, she might be scared of Theo because she's off leash right now. So I don't know. I want to get her back into a routine of walking, making sure she gets her exercise because she's been feeling a little, she's been acting mopey. Come on. She's been acting mopey lately. So we're thinking about maybe getting another dog, which gives me major anxiety. But I don't know. We'll see. For right now, we're trying to get her back on a freaking routine just so she can get her exercise in. So we'll see how that goes. So I found this set here for, the bottoms are like 10 and the top is like 9, but they're like a matching set. Let's see if I can hold these up. It's like long pair of joggers and then like a long sleeve shirt. But I've made my way over to the hearth and hand section. This is dangerous. This is a dangerous place for me to be because look at all this cute stuff. Look at that. Ah, cute. Look how cute those are. Those are so freaking cute. I might have to get them. The thing about this though is that I have a vase, a taller one. I just need to get this piece to put in it. What? $5. This is so cute. Use the dollar section. Look how fucking big this thing is. I was looking for more of these, but I guess they're only 6. I guess the big ones are like 8. They're pretty big. I don't know. Sometimes I wonder how the people afford this shit in this place. It's ridiculous. Thousands of dollars at Target before, so I can't really judge, but let's keep looking.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to
I got so much left to do. Gotta take that out. Clean that. Do some laundry. And then we gotta clean this area. Look, that's one of them. Do more laundry. clean the floors because they're fucking dirty. Gotta clean the floors in the kitchen as well. What else do I need to do? Everything. That's what. So I switched, obviously, my outfits. My hair, well, we're just gonna disregard the fact that it looks like a bird attacked my head. I find cleaning vlogs super, like, calming, cathartic, just like, they make me want to get up and clean. And so thinking about it, I'm just like, I just want to put on some music and basically reset this space that I'm in right now. Just completely do a whole reset. So I'm kind of just working room by room. You come along, have some fun, join me, play some good music. I made chocolate cake. Oh my god, they look so good. Look. I gotta clean out my fridge still. That's something I don't like to do. Fucking outrageous. I don't wanna. There's so much house. It's like you go around and you're like, wow, my house is really small. And then you start cleaning it and you're like, is it? Is it small? It doesn't feel like it. But have my drink break, my cake break. I should probably turn off the oven. Oh wait, I did. Half time I leave the oven on, I don't even realize it. One. Ooh, hi boys. Hello, my loves. How's it going?
Even though it's kind of toxic, babe, you know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love. Even though it's kind of toxic, babe, you know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe.
I think for right now, I'm going to drink the rest of this and then sit down in front of my fan in my bedroom, cool myself off, get my hair somewhat together, and then go to my office and take a thumbnail for today's picture, or take a picture for today's thumbnail that I have yet to make, and it's like 10 o'clock. I think I'm gonna go do that, and then we'll see what else needs done after that. I know I probably need to clean the bathroom and the bedroom, but like, do I want to? No. I also need a vacuum in here because this rug, can I even get in the shot? This rug right here, it's so horribly disgusting. Okay, so I just got done taking a thumbnail for the main video. I look, you know, a little different. I've got some makeup on, put a different shirt on, still here with the cats. This is my closet, but what I'm gonna do is switch back into my cozy clothes and then probably tackle this room, which is the bedroom, and then we're gonna go switch over laundry because that needs to go in the dryer and then start on maybe a new load. We'll see. We'll see. Here we go.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch, that your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
Let's just say I am like profusely sweating now and I need to go cool off. I had to jump in here because look at this cute face. Look at this cute face. There's a cute boy. There's a cute girl. Hi, Miss Dio. Oh, that's a cute face. Oh, this is my cute boy. He likes to lick everything and anything. This is my cute girl. She just loves her pets. Now they're probably going to come in here and wrestle. They just were outside for like 20 minutes while I was cleaning because I didn't want them to sit in their crates. Huh. It's not too warm outside. Yes, I know. It's just a sweet girl. Oh my gosh. It's my good boy. Huh. They both have tails that do that. It's the funniest thing. She's tiny compared to him, but she's a good girl, huh? Oh my gosh, that's a good girl. Miss Dio. She's a good lady. Oh shit, you're cute. Just kidding. I have to go edit my thumbnail and put it in the video.